Ever wondered how AI tackles questions that aren't just yes or no, but require digging through facts, cross-referencing data, or even using multiple models? Today, we're diving into a breakthrough in AI research that's redefining how complex queries get answered, without breaking the bank. Let's start with the problem. Traditional AI systems often work like this. You ask a question, and one model gives an answer. But what if the question is tricky? Like which movie came out more recently, Sacred Silence or Ek Hasina Thai Ek Diwana Tha? That's not a simple fact. It's a comparison requiring data lookup and analysis. And if the model doesn't have the right tools, it might guess wrong or waste resources. Enter Router-R1, a system that acts like a smart team leader, orchestrating multiple AI models to work together. Think of it as a detective who doesn't rely on a single clue, but gathers insights from different experts. But how does it decide who to call? Here's the clever part. Router-R1 uses a reinforcement learning approach. Imagine training a robot to play a game. It tries different moves, gets feedback on what works, and adjusts its strategy. Router-R1 does the same. It experiments with different models, learns which ones excel at specific tasks, and refines its choices over time. But how does it know what good looks like? The researchers designed a reward system with two key goals. 1. Precision. Answers need to be exactly right, like a quiz where you only get credit for matching the official answer word for word. 2. Efficiency. It penalizes using overly complex models for simple tasks, saving computational power. This balance is crucial. For example, if you're asking for the capital of France, why use a massive AI model when a smaller one can nail it? Router-R1 learns to prioritize speed and cost without sacrificing accuracy. The results? In tests across 7 datasets, Router-R1 outperformed existing methods, especially on multi-step questions. It's like giving AI a toolkit where it can pick the right wrench, screwdriver, or laser cutter for the job, without needing to relearn the whole set every time. But here's the real kicker. Router-R1 doesn't need to know every model's secrets. It just needs basic info, like how fast a model is or how much it costs. This makes it adaptable. New models can join the team without overhauling the system, like adding a new expert to a think tank without rewriting the rules. So why does this matter? As AI grows more specialized, systems like Router-R1 show how we can harness collective intelligence. Whether it's diagnosing diseases, solving scientific puzzles, or just answering your weird trivia questions, this tech is making AI smarter, faster, and more efficient. Take this example, asking, which film's director died first, To See or Not to See or Prince 1969? At first, the AI doesn't know the answer. But instead of panicking, it does what any good problem solver would do. It searches. It taps into other AI models, digs up the director's death dates, and compares them. The result? A precise answer, but only after a few clever steps. This isn't just luck. Router-R1's design ensures it's strategic. In one test, it cut costs by almost 50% while still nailing the answer. How? By adjusting a cost coefficient. Think of it like a budget knob to 0.6, perfect for high accuracy without breaking the bank. It's like choosing the right tool for the job. A screwdriver for small fixes, a wrench for heavy lifting. But Router-R1 isn't just about saving money. It's about smarts. Take a radiology question. What's the term for the dense bone around a tooth? A smaller model might stumble, but Router-R1 switches to a more powerful one, which confidently answers lamina dura. Or tackle a history mystery about the Inca Empire. It adapts, pulling in models with deep historical knowledge. So what's the big deal? This isn't just AI getting smarter, it's AI getting strategic. By learning when to use which model, systems like Router-R1 make AI faster, cheaper, and more reliable. Whether you're a developer, a student, or just curious, this is a glimpse into a future where AI works with us, not just for us. Next time you interact with an AI, remember, it's not just one model talking. It's a whole team working behind the scenes, guided by clever systems like Router-R1. Stay curious, because the future of AI is all about collaboration.